Oh, let me guess what we're doing. I see a Novitec box over there. Are we doing a spring installation? There's several lowering spring brands out there, as you guys probably know. So do your research when you're getting them.
My favorite is cut springs.
I would say though, we do the Novitec ones the most, probably because they are very comfortable.
It just sits in there and that's it? Yep. There, okay, push it through.
So while Tyler is working on his Model 3 Novitec lowering spring installation, I do want to show you guys this because I think this would be very beneficial. So what will your paint look like if you don't have Clearbra? And you see all these dots everywhere? This whole entire front bumper is just pelted with rock chips and these light gray etchings like this here, like these. You can see it everywhere. What's causing all this obviously are rocks hitting the bumper consistently over and over. Dead bugs, bird droppings, a lot of damage happening to the front bumper. And this is clean, by the way. I have cleaned this bumper. There's nothing you can do about it anymore unless you paint correct this. And even when you paint correct this, you're not gonna get rid of these rock chips, like these little white specks here. It's permanent unless you repaint the full front bumper. So what's the big deal? The bumper is still mainly its original color, but the problem is that even though this bumper is now cleaned off, I cleaned this whole area, it still doesn't look clean, losing its luster. I mean, this car is probably 1-2 years old max, and it already looks like this. Now, if this doesn't bother you, then great, not a problem. You don't have to get a Clearbra, but if this does bother you, I highly recommend a Clearbra, and especially if you're going to do a ceramic coating, because there's no point in doing a ceramic coating if your paint is going to end up looking like this, especially since you have no Clearbra to protect it against physical damage.
Spit those facts! Hey, Hank!
We've done quite a few Novitec springs on the Model 3, but this is our first time doing it with the new 0G wheels from Tesla. I believe it comes in the track package, which is about $5,500 for the rims and tires, and they look pretty good with the new Novitec springs installed. But keep in mind though, as you can see, they do sit in a little bit now that the car is lowered. Pretty understandable because obviously they made the wheels to fit stock height suspension. Wheel gap is a lot better now. You still have a little bit, but it's a good amount. It doesn't look slammed or anything crazy like that. Just cutting down some of that makes a huge difference in how it looks.